Today you're going to learn how you can run an entire business on Notion. For a little context, my friend Gopi and I started a business selling microgreens to restaurants in our city. And after proving that the concept works, we now built a dashboard in Notion to manage the entire business on. It includes calendars, task lists, a CRM system, a project manager, and houses all of the financials as well as an entire production overview. Also, stick around until the end to find out how we automatically generate new invoices so that you can minimize your workload as a business owner. So come on, join me as we explore the system together. And so just before we start, you probably noticed this video does not have a lot of views, so I really want to say thank you for taking a leap of faith, for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Leave a like if you do, subscribe for more Notion content, and let's get right into this page. Okay, so welcome to our main dashboard. Right here, you'll immediately be met by two control centers and then all of the pages beneath that. And we'll start off by scrolling down a little to this batches database. This is kind of like the heart of this whole system. Wait, let me drink some coffee. Okay, yeah. So the batches system, this tracks exactly what microgreens are being produced, when they were planted, who they're being delivered to, and how much we're making. This connects back to the CRM system through the customer. It connects back to the financials with the earnings, and the products with the products relation right here, which means this is kind of like a centralized hub for a lot of data that's coming in and out. And one place that this data is coming from is our products database down here. So there's some data on all of the products we have right now. And then we also have a tray tracking system. So we try to minimize waste by reusing our trays that we plant the microgreens in. So this is just a way to track exactly where all of the trays are at right now. And up here at the control center, we just see each other's tasks. And also there are some buttons to automate and make this system as efficient as possible. And now in the actual pages, we'll start off just at the left and we'll go through all of them. So the first page is the meeting center. This is a fun little page where we can add agenda items. If there's something we want to talk about, we will add that as an agenda item. It'll generate a new meeting, and then in that new meeting we can go through all of the agenda items, take notes. So I'll show you what a new meeting will look like. So you have all your different tasks and projects that you want to discuss. So you can, filter out by, maybe tasks that were meant for this week, and there you go. And now you can talk about them. And then there's just a space to take some notes as well. So that's the meeting center. It's pretty simple. Because we are only two people after all. Next is financials. I'll just hop in here real quick. So you have a profit and loss statement. It's pulling all of the earnings data from the batch system, and then we have this. This is kind of like a list of all the purchases, which is a system required in Austria where we have founded the business. So that's the financials. Next is the project and task center. As you probably know, a business needs objectives and goals to reach, and we track ours in this project center. These projects are then subdivided into objectives, and the objectives consist of tasks. So objectives should last between 1 and 2 weeks, and tasks are usually something that you can do in one session. And projects can span to up to a couple months. So let's have a look at this. Right now, we have a bunch of tasks, which are all part of our 3 objectives, which is acquiring new clients, quality improvements, and expanding our delivery capacity. You can also see those in a table, and you'll see there's this progress bar for every objective as well as for the project itself. And all 3 objectives are assigned to our big project Rocket, which is kind of like which is just the project we have right now. We just want to expand, get new customers, make more money, produce more, deliver more, and sell more, basically. So yeah, that's the way the project and task center works. You can also assign people to a task. You have deadlines. You also have the statuses, which then reflect in the progress bars here. And that's all for the project and task center. Now let's see what our next page is. Oh yeah, it's the CRM system. So the CRM system is a way to track your customers, keep data on your customers, and just generally see, some information on them. So in the active customers, I haven't set the filter up here, but the customer status should be active. There you go. You'll see our one customer is here right now, and then in the leads list, you'll see all of the leads that we want to talk to in the coming weeks. So that's the CRM system. It's kept pretty simple. And then the wiki is the last page we have. This is a centralized place to store information that we need about the business. So right now we have especially the information on how to grow every type of microgreen, because they're all a little different. They all take different times to sprout and grow. So we just wanted to store this information in a centralized place, and we're also using the Notion Wiki feature, which means that the pages have verification, there's parent pages and sub pages. And if you do want to have a guide on how to build Notion wikis, just let me know in the comments below and I can make a video on that. And while you're down there, don't forget to drop a like as well. That would really help me out. Thanks. So yeah, this is my business system. There's a link down in the description below if you want to download this for yourself. And it's easily modifiable to fit any industry and any business model. If you do need any help with that adaptation, just let me know. There's a link to my website down below as well, where you can contact me. We can get on a one-on-one session, and we can build up a crazy system for you too. So that'll be all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. If you did stick around until now, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next week again. Bye bye.